Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at how to use the verb to be in English. Rules and examples. Let's get started. How to use the verb to be in English? Be in the present simple tense. Affirmative form. Construction subject plus be. Construction, subject plus be. I am, I am. You are, you are. He, she, it is. He, she, it is. We are, we are. You are, they are. They are. The contracted form is very common. The contracted form is very common, especially orally. I am, is, I'm. I am, it's, I'm. You are, it's, your. He is, it's, his. He is, his. She is, she's. She is, she's. It is, it's. It is, it's. We are, where. We are, where. You are, your. You are, your. They are, there. They are, there. Negative form, negative form. Simply add not after the verb. Simply add not after the verb. I am not. I am not. You are not. You are not. He, she, it is not. He, she, it is not. They are not. They are not. We are not. We are not. You are not. You are not. The negative form can be contracted. The negative form can be contracted. I am not. I'm not. I am not. I'm not. He is not. He isn't or he's not. He is not. He isn't or he's not. You are not. You aren't or you're not. You are not. You aren't or you're not. Interrogative form. Interrogative form. To ask a question, it's simple. You have to reverse the subject and be. To ask a question, it's simple. You have to reverse the subject and be. The verb be is then placed at the beginning of the sentence. The verb be is then placed at the beginning of the sentence. Am I making myself clear? Am I making myself clear? Are you happy? Are you happy? Is he okay? Is he okay? Are we arrived yet? Are we arrived yet? Be in preterite, past simple. Be in preterite, past simple. Affirmative form. Affirmative form. I was. I was. You were. You were. He, she, it was. He, she, it was. We were. We were. You were. You were. Be careful. There is no contracted form. Be careful, there is no contracted form. Negative form. Negative form. I was not. I was not. You were not. You were not. He, she, it was not. He, she, it was not. We were not. We were not. You were not. You were not. They were not. They were not. The negative form can be contracted. The negative form can be contracted. Was not, wasn't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Were not, weren't. Interrogative form. Interrogative form. Just like the present, be is placed at the beginning of the sentence, but at the preterite tense, was or were. Was I? Was I? Were you? Were you? Was he? Was she? Was it? Were we? Were we? Were you? Were you? Were they? Were they? How to use the verb to be. How to use the verb to be. In English, the verb be can be either verb or auxiliary. In English, the verb be can be either verb or auxiliary. As a main verb, as a main verb. With a name, to talk about a characteristic. With a name, to talk about a characteristic. Sam is very tall. Sam is very tall. My mother was a teacher. My mother was a teacher. Sam is very tall. Sam is very tall. My mother was a teacher. My mother was a teacher. This cake is very tasty. This cake is very tasty. The children were good. The children were good. Paul and his wife are from New York. Paul and his wife are from New York. The flowers are on the table. The flowers are on the table. As an auxiliary. As an auxiliary. To make the continuous form with ing. To make the continuous form with ing. They are eating. They are eating. It had been raining for hours. It had been raining for hours. To do the passive voice. To do the passive voice. It's broken. It's broken. This car was made in Japan. This car was made in Japan. Remember, remember, be has a lot of different meanings. Be has a lot of different meanings. To talk about a state. To talk about a state. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. To say the age of someone. To say the age of someone. I'm 24. I'm 24. He is 17. He is 17. She is my age. She is my age. To talk about the weather. To talk about the weather. It's hot. It's hot. Or it's cold today. Or it's cold today. To talk about size. To talk about size. She is the same height as her husband. She is the same height as her husband. He is 6 feet tall. He is 6 feet tall. How tall are you? How tall are you? Not how high are you? Not how high are you? The tree is about 20 meters high. That tree is about 20 meters high. To talk about weight, do not use to be but the verb weigh. He weighs 70 kilos. He is 70 kilos is wrong. To indicate a distance. To indicate a distance. It's 5 kilometers to the next town. It's 5 kilometers to the next town. There are often mistakes with born. There are often mistakes with born. I was born. I was born. Not I am born. Not I am born. He was born. He was born. Not he is born. Not he is born. They were born. They were born. Not they are born. Not they are born. Question tags with to be. Question tags with to be. The following formula must be used. The following formula must be used. Be contracted if negative plus personal pronoun. Be contracted if negative plus personal pronoun. Positive sentences are followed by a negative question tag, and negative sentences by a positive question tag. You are Paul, aren't you? You are Paul, aren't you? Miguel is from Spain, isn't he? Miguel is from Spain, isn't he? He isn't coming, is he? He isn't coming, is he? Linda was tired, wasn't she? Linda was tired, wasn't she? This isn't working, is it? This isn't working, is it? We weren't late, were we? We weren't late, were we? Phrasal verbs with be. Phrasal verbs with be. There are many of them. Here are some of the most common ones. There are many of them. Here are some of the most common ones. Be about to. Be about to. Be ready to do something. Be ready to do something. The bus is about to leave. The bus is about to leave. He was about to say something. He was about to say something. Be off. Be off. To leave slash to stop working. Be off, to leave, or to stop working. Bye guys, I'm off. Bye guys, I'm off. Make sure the lights are off. Make sure the lights are off. Be out. Be out. Be absent from home or work. Be absent from home or work. You can't talk to my boss. He's out. You can't talk to my boss. He's out. Be out of. Be out of. To run out of something. To run out of something. I'm out of flour. I'm out of flour. I can't make pancakes. I can't make pancakes. He's been out of work for a long time. He's been out of work for a long time. Be up. Be up. Be awake slash increase slash expire. Be awake slash increase slash expire. It's 10 o'clock and Tina isn't up yet. It's 10 o'clock and Tina isn't up yet. The price of bread is up again this week. The price of bread is up again this week. The warranty on the camera is up. The warranty on the camera is up. If it breaks now, we'll have to pay for it. If it breaks now, we'll have to pay for it. Be up to. Be up to. Planning a bad move. Something bad. Be up to planning a bad move. Something bad. What are those children up to now? What are those children up to now? Be plus going to. Be plus going to. Be plus going to express an intention in the future or a certainty. Be plus going to express an intention in the future or a certainty. We're going to have a party. We're going to have a party. He's going to wash the car. He's going to wash the car. I think it's going to rain. I think it's going to rain. So there you go guys. This video ends here about how to use the verb to be in English, rules and examples. Thanks for watching.